Hi, I'm here to take you through an important note coming in from JP Morgan on Infosys, wherein JP Morgan maintains overweight on Infosys with a target of 1740 per share. In fact, JP Morgan hosted Infosys CEO Salil Parekh at their JP Morgan Global Conference, and some important highlights are management stated that there is no material impact on the delivery front from India's second COVID wave. And at the industry level, although attrition is rising, attrition is not a concern area as it is being offset by graduate as well as lateral hiring by the company. In fact, management reiterated that the deal will momentum as well as the overall deal pipeline continues to remain fairly strong, and that they're seeing large deal wins driven by digital capabilities rather than pricing. Management also stated that the offshore mix can sustain as clients are comfortable, and this can help margins further, and that there is overall a good amount of optimism with regards to medium-term growth outlook. And management reiterated that FY22 revenue guidance of 12 to 14% constant currency growth and FY22 margin guidance of 22 to 24% remains fairly intact. To note that Infosys is up slightly over 1% in trading at nearly around 1381 levels per share. And in fact, Infosys did outperform TCS itself for the entire FY21. In fact, Infosys outperformed TCS on revenue growth as well as on EBIT margin expansion for FY21, although yes, they did report a slightly soft Q4. Infosys management also during the Q4 had stated that they are seeing fairly strong demand environment. Demand is fairly broad-based and overall environment is improving. They had also stated that while the attrition is picking up, it is largely reflective of a strong demand environment. The Q4 large deal wins stood at $2.1 billion, and large deal TCV for entire FY21 had peaked to an all-time high of $14.1 billion, with 66% of that being net new wins. Besides that, Infosys also had declared that they would be going ahead and announced a buyback of rupees 9,200 crore at a buyback price of 750 rupees per share via the open market. They also declared a final dividend of rupees 15 per share for Q4, and the total FY21 dividend stands at 27 rupees per share, which is up close to around 54% YOY. And if you in fact look at their total payout in terms of only the dividend for FY21, they have paid out 11,500 crore rupees worth of dividend. As such, if you look at the buyback price of Infosys, that stands at 1750 rupees per share, and JP Morgan also maintains an overweight with a target of 1740 per share. The stock is trading at fairly attractive valuations from that perspective.